To my viewers and subscribers, let me take this opportunity to welcome you to the MDTD channel. Always good to connect with you, always good to share my recipes with you. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and you can become a part of the MDTD journey. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Also like and share it with your family and your friends. If you're a long-time subscriber and viewer, welcome back. Always good to have you. All right, so today I have another amazing recipe that I'm going to share with you. So I want you to stay with me throughout the process. Now, you know, the summer season is up on us, even though, you know, in my neck of the wood, the weather is not cooperating, but we will work with it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make your own jerk marinade. So I want you to stay with me throughout the process. Very simple, very easy, all right? Step by step. So come on and let me show you how to prepare that. Here are the basic ingredients that I will be using. I have 3 stalks of scallion, 1 onion, hot pepper, fresh, a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, some fresh thyme, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I have a tablespoon of allspice or pimento seed, a small piece of ginger, a tablespoon of cooking oil, a tablespoon of vinegar for preservation, of course, and I also have some browning. All right, so these are the ingredients that I'll be using. So I'll be chopping them, putting it in the blender, and I will show you. So stay with me through the process, all right? Okay, I will now load everything in the blender cup. I need my vinegar and the cooking oil. And then my browning. 1 to 2 tablespoons, all right? And then I'm going to blend it and come back to you. Right, guys, so it's going to be a little bit of noise. Guys, I forget to mention one of the key ingredients, and this is the garlic. So I'm using 5 to 6 cloves of garlic depending on the size. So please forgive me, all right? Garlic is very, very important, all right? So we will just finish up the process here. So this is it, guys. Simple, easy. So here you have it, guys. So go ahead and try. Let me know how it turns out. The consistency is quite nice. All right, so you just use it to season up your chicken, whatever you're jerking. Put that on the flame. Mwah. Wow. All right, so let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. All right, this is how you help me. All right, and I need you on board. I need you to become a part of the MDTD family. All right, also put a like on the video. Right, when you put a like on the video, you're telling YouTube that yes, you're interested in these recipes. All right, so I really appreciate you. Wow, the aroma in the kitchen is something else. All right. I'm just putting it in a container here. I'll refrigerate it. Wow. Smelling so potent. So guys, we have come to the end of another amazing video. Let me say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me throughout the process. I really appreciate it. Please remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please send some support my way. Just hit the subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing, zero. All right, put a like on the video. Also share it with your family and your friends. This is how you support the MDTD family. Remember now, don't just watch and not subscribe. I need you. Come on over, all right? So you're how to make your own Jamaican jerk marinade. You won't go wrong with this. Let me know how it turns out. Leave a comment in the comment section. Also, please follow me on Instagram and IG. It's Paul_MDTD. Stay tuned. I will see you in the next video. God bless you. Peace. And I hope that you have a blessed summer. Ciao.